Developers and testers spend significant time creating and maintaining test cases. This is largely due to the fact that many generic editors, like Excel or other script-based environments, don't understand what is happening in the system under test. Conversely, BTC TestComposer takes full advantage of the detailed information available in BTC EmbeddedPlatform and ensures that only valid data can be entered. We will start with an existing test project and a set of imported requirements. Please refer to our other videos to see how to do this. For now, we will jump directly to creating a new test case for one of the requirements. All we need to do is define a name, select the subsystem or function on which the test should run, and choose a folder where the test will be stored. As you can see down here, the editor directly contains and displays the corresponding requirement, which allows us to easily identify what we need to implement. A simple test case typically consists of a certain number of steps with corresponding input values and expected output values. For a selected cell, TestComposer shows you the corresponding signal properties and even warns you if a value is outside the value range. A test case description as well as step comments make it easy to document what is being tested. By selecting and executing one or more of the available simulation modes, we can instantly check whether or not the system is behaving as expected. For more complex test cases, other features include the ability to search, hide, and show individual signals, intelligent signal filtering to hide unused variables, a signal generator, a smart formula editor, which allows us to express values and expected results as complex functions, reusable test macros, which are globally stored and can be instantiated in multiple test cases, and a plotting tool to visualize test cases and simulation results. Sometimes it can even be convenient to create, edit, and view test data in a script-based manner. The script view in TestComposer provides the same advanced features as the table view, and an intelligent autocomplete feature makes the test authoring fast and enjoyable, even for complex scenarios. And the best part is, you can seamlessly switch between two representations while preserving all details and even comments. We hope you've enjoyed this video of BTC EmbeddedPlatform. Please also have a look at our other videos, and don't hesitate to contact us if you have any further questions.